What is a 1099 NEC on H&R Block? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open up any web browser and on the search bar, search for hrblock.com and press enter. Then the first thing you want to do is log into your account. For that, click on the sign in option, enter your user ID, email address or mobile number, and then click on the continue option. Or if you are new to this, you can click on create account, create your account, and then sign into your account. Now, the 1099 NEC is a tax form used in the United States to report income earned by non-employees or independent contractors. The NEC stands for non-employee compensation. This form was introduced in 2020 to separate the reporting of non-employee compensation from other types of income previously reported on Form 1099 MISC. This tax season, millions of independent workers will receive Form 1099 NEC in the mail for the first time. If you receive income as an independent contractor or freelancer, your clients or employees may use the 1099 NEC to report the total amount they paid you during the tax year. This form is similar to the previous Form 1099 MISC, but is now specifically designed for reporting non-employee compensation. If you are using H&R Block, you will typically enter the information from your 1099 NEC into the appropriate section of the software. The income reported on this form is considered self-employment income, and you may be responsible for paying both the employer and employee portions of Social Security and Medicare taxes on this income. It's important to report all your income accurately to avoid any potential issues with the IRS. You can contact the tax professional of H&R Block, and that's all you need to know about the 1099 NEC. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.